SerpApi offers over 100 APIs that support search engines like Bing and provide structured JSON results. Today, we'll take a closer look at the Bing Search API, exploring how it works and how you can use it to retrieve search results in a structured format. Within Bing Organic Results, you can access the titles, links, snippets, thumbnails, and more. Before using any of our APIs, I always recommend reviewing the documentation page for parameters, outputs, and examples. Before we get started with our code, please make sure you have signed up for a free account and verified your account so you can access the dashboard and your API key. Now, let's jump into our code. I already have my file set up, including a .m file with a variable titled SerpApi API key. Make sure to set this to your API key you can find in your dashboard. I also have a main Python project file set up. Now in this example, we are going to be using the SerpApi Python library. However, you can use a simple GET request, one of our other supported libraries, or even one of our no-code options. If you have not installed the required packages, including .env and SerpApi, make sure to go ahead and do that now using pip install SerpApi python-env. Now that we're all set up, we are going to go ahead and start with our program. First off is our imports. We are going to go ahead and import the required .env as well as SerpApi. And lastly is JSON. This is not required for the query. However, we will be using it to visualize the results. And now we'll go ahead and load .env. And we are going to go ahead and set up our client in order to query SerpApi. And the argument required here is going to be your API key. Okay, and just make sure if you labeled your variable something else that you are typing the correct name in here. So in my case, it is SerpApi API key. And next we are going to go ahead and make our query using our client and go ahead and set our parameters as well. So we already set our API key. The other parameter we will need to set is going to be the engine. This is indicating to SerpApi what search engine you want to use. In this case, it is going to be Bing. The other parameter we are going to set is the Q parameter for the query. In this example, I'm going to actually go ahead and search for SerpApi and see where that populates, but you can set your Q parameter to anything that you could search for in Bing. Currently, you could run this program and the request will be made to SerpApi. However, we are not actually showing the results in any way, so we are going to go ahead and dump them into a JSON file just so that we can see what that structure looks like. So we are going to go ahead and run our program. And once that finishes, you can see we do have a new file here, Bing results JSON. So let's go ahead and open that up. Within here, you can see your search metadata, including the ID, so you can locate this search in your dashboard. We also have the search parameters and information. And under that is where we're going to see our organic results. Within the organic results, we can see the position, title, tracking link, displayed link, thumbnail, and snippet. So that's the breakdown of this first organic result. You can see it is SerpApi's site. So the query went through correctly and we have accurate results. Now, let's say that you wanted to track how possibly a certain keyword was doing and what positions it's in. I'm going to go ahead and comment this out. I am going to iterate through each result within the organic results. And for each one, I'm going to check if the site SerpApi.com is in the link of the result. And if it is within the link, we are going to go ahead and print the position. Okay, so we'll go ahead and print that here. So we are iterating through all of the organic results. And for each result, we're going to check if the link includes SerpApi.com. And then if it does, we are going to print the position. This way I can see which of the results actually contain SerpApi's actual site instead of a blog or post or other resource mentioning SerpApi. So we'll go ahead and save and let's run that again. This is saying that positions 1 and 2 in the organic results contained the partial URL SerpApi.com within the listed link. We can verify this by going to our results, and we can see position 1 within the link is SerpApi.com. Position 2 is SerpApi.com/pricing. And position 3 is a blog that contains SerpApi, so that is why position 3 wasn't listed. So this is accurate to what we are seeing with our results here. SerpApi made it easy to access Bing search result data for a specific keyword like SerpApi and filter through the results for specific details such as SerpApi within the link. We also offer an interactive playground where you can test out any of our APIs and export the current example to code. SerpApi makes collecting search engine data easy without worrying about CAPTCHAs, layout changes, or any other scraping challenges. If you have any questions about this video or anything else, please reach out via chat or send an email to contact@serpapi.com. We are happy to help.